Microsoft just dropped another Windows 11 27H2 update in the Canary channel build number 29576. And it's not just another update. This one introduces future platforms, deeper AI tracking, and a brand new system recovery concept that could save your PC when everything breaks. And trust me, this update is more important than it looks. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. And today in this video, I'm gonna tell you the features and new changes in the Windows 11 27H2 build number 29576. So let's get into this. So first, let's clear the confusion. Microsoft's changing how Windows development works. Instead of Dev, Beta, and Canary, they're moving towards a new structure. Dev channel becoming experimental, Beta channel staying closer to stable release, and Canary 29,500 stories moving into experimental future platforms, probably Windows 11 27H2 or maybe Windows 12. In the simple terms, this build is not tied to any specific Windows version. It's where Microsoft tests next generation of Windows features, things that could show up in Windows 11 27H2 or even Windows 12. Yes, this is that early. Microsoft finally touched something users actually use daily: audio settings. Here is what's new: a redesigned volume slider that shows active audio in real time, built-in hardware acceleration toggle if your device supports it, normal control panel hunting for exclusive mode, communication audio adjustments. Everything is now inside settings. This is part of Microsoft's long-term goal, killing the control panel completely. And honestly, we're getting closer. Now let me tell you how to access these features. Just go to settings, and then go to system, and then sounds. Here you go. This is the option. Now, this might be the biggest feature in this build. Microsoft is testing something called point-in-time restore. And if you want to see the point-in-time recovery in the recovery menu, you definitely go to settings, and then go to system, and then recovery, and then scroll point-in-time restore. Click view or edit, click yes, and then you make sure that point-in-time restore is activated on your settings, and then save and close it. And now if you just press shift and restart your computer, you'll go to the recovery environment page. Now inside Windows recovery environment, if you choose troubleshoot, you will now see a point-in-time restore option. Basically, this option is to roll your system back to a previous working state, restore apps, settings, files, recover from crashes, bad updates, or system corruption. Think of it like a smarter version of system restore, mixed with cloud-like recovery reliability. And in real-world use, this could save hours or even days of troubleshooting. Now, this is where things get futuristic. If a PC has an NPU, Neural Processing Unit, new Task Manager now shows NPU usage, NPU engine activity, dedicated versus shared NPU memory, AI workloads tracking. Plus, GPU Neural Engine now appears in Performance tab. New isolation column shows which apps run in secure containers. This is Microsoft preparing Windows for one-device AI processing, meaning future apps won't rely only on cloud AI. Your PC will handle AI locally. Now, before you get excited, here's the reality. These Canary builds can be unstable, may break apps, features may never release, requires clean install to exit the channel. Microsoft even says some features could be removed completely. So yeah, this is bleeding edge Windows. Now let's be real. This update isn't about flashy UI. It's about foundation changes, AI integration at OS level, advanced system recovery, control panel removal process, new development pipeline. This is Microsoft preparing Windows for the next decade. So yeah, Windows 11 27H2 build number 29576 might look small, but it's actually laying the ground for future Windows experience, AI-powered PCs, and a smarter, more recoverable OS. Now I want to know from you, would you install Canary builds on your main PC or never risk it? If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.